What's going on, guys? Sam Takes here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Instagram Plus Plus for free without any jailbreak. Let's get on into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up app.appvalley.vip. The link will be in the description if you want it. And after you're on this page, you're gonna click to the search bar and you're gonna search up Instagram Plus Plus. It's right here. You're just gonna click Gate and you're gonna click the green one, green install as it install. Now it's gonna take like 10 seconds to install it. You'll see it. Now it's right here. It's gonna take like 1 minute or 2 minutes to finish installing. By the way, if you're new, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. It's almost done. Okay, now you're just gonna open it. It's not gonna work. All you have to do to open this app is do one step. You're just gonna go to your settings. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna click general. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna find device management. You're gonna click on that one and you're gonna click this one and you're gonna click trust. If you didn't do this, the app is not going to work. All you have to do is go back and open it. It works 100%. And all I have to do now is create my account or login if I have an account already. This all I have to do. And if this works for you guys, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button.